Imagine waking up to new job offers, client leads, or interview requests, all because your LinkedIn presence works for you 24/7. Sounds like a dream. In 2025, artificial intelligence is not just making that dream a reality, it is supercharging it. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how you can use powerful and free AI tools to grow on LinkedIn. Even if you have 0 followers right now, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will not only know what to post, but how to automate it, personalize it, and optimize it, all using AI. Let us dive in. If people visit it and feel confused, unmotivated, or underwhelmed, they will scroll away. This is where ChatGPT becomes your personal brand consultant. This strategy is working for freelancers, marketers, and job seekers. And yes, it will work for you too, even if you hate networking or do not consider yourself a creator. Your LinkedIn profile is your landing page. Simply copy your current About section and paste it into ChatGPT with this prompt. Act as a LinkedIn branding expert. Rewrite my About section to be more compelling for clients, employers in your industry. Highlighting my achievements and personality. You are not guessing anymore. You are optimizing with intent. It will generate a polished, professional, and personalized version of your summary. And you can even ask for multiple styles: formal, storytelling, or persuasive. Just prompt ChatGPT. Let AI solve this. You can literally create a week's worth of content in under an hour using ChatGPT. Format it in Canva and schedule it, all while sipping your coffee. Ask for posts in carousel format, story-based format, or tweet-style bite-sized content. Also, upload your resume or past job descriptions and ask AI to extract achievements, metrics, and client impact. The biggest roadblock for most people is, I do not know what to post. Tools like Taplio, Postwise, and even ChatGPT can analyze what types of posts are currently trending on LinkedIn in your niche. Give me 10 LinkedIn post ideas that position me as an expert freelancer in your field, while sharing value, lessons, or results. Boom! 10 ready-to-go ideas. Need more. No more copy-paste generic replies. Each interaction feels real. Want a visual post? Use Canva's AI design assistant to turn quotes, stats, or frameworks into stunning graphics with your branding. Frame them with storytelling. Then end each post with a clear call to action, like DM me for a free strategy session or check out my portfolio. The magic is not in just posting daily. It is in posting content that educates, resonates, and converts. You just need to be consistent, strategic, and AI-assisted. Posting manually every day is exhausting. You need consistency without burnout, because the game has changed. The people who are using AI to build credibility and relationships will win in 2025. And remember, your LinkedIn page should work for you even while you sleep. Let us make that happen together. Use Taplio Buffer or Later to schedule an entire week or month of posts. This consistency signals LinkedIn's algorithm to promote your content more, increasing your visibility organically. LinkedIn rewards engagement. Spending hours commenting or replying to DMs is draining. Use ChatGPT or Taplio's Smart Reply to assist you in writing thoughtful comments on trending posts in your field. You can feed it the original post and ask, write a thoughtful, value-adding comment on this LinkedIn post from the perspective of your profession. You stay active and visible in your niche without burning out. Similarly, you can use AI to draft polite, customized responses to messages or connection requests. Now, let us turn visibility into opportunity. Use your AI-written posts to share case studies, testimonials, or behind the scenes of your work. AI tools can help you brainstorm better CTAs, analyze which posts got the most reach, and even help you turn post content into lead magnets or newsletters. Want more leads? Use ChatGPT to write a mini cold outreach message that feels personalized and empathetic, not robotic or salesy. Let us recap. You can now optimize your LinkedIn profile, post content consistently, automate replies, and position yourself as an authority, all with the help of AI. You do not need to be famous. You do not need to be loud. If I can do it, you can do it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and comment the tool you are most excited to try. Subscribe to Byte to Bank for more AI-powered content that grows your income and impact.